Nano bago Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank M Em Pitichan for sending us their products. Look at my table, guys. Grabe, another putok-batok afternoon for me. Pero syempre, after this vlog, we're gonna share the blessing to our family. Matitikman nila to. Of course, sila rin ay mag-enjoy, courtesy of M Em Pitichan. So, on our table, of course, very staple, mga Pitichan. Very classic story on how they started. Ulam or handaan sa fiesta. At naging staple, every fiesta, laging hinahanap. Until they became a business na gusto magpakilala po sa atin. So, these are their Pitichan. Ayan. If I may describe them, no, para silang, cubes of, fat, meat, and skin. Wow. Another one. Another cheat day, Louie. Sa mga party trays po nila, available yung 1.5 kilograms, 1 kilogram at saka half kilogram. For the reseller packs naman, meron tayo dito 150 grams at saka 200 grams. Now, for the brown packs, meron tayong 1 kilogram, half kilogram, and 140 grams. Napaka-handy. You buy this one, take it home. Another ulam for the dinner. Aside from the Pitichan, meron pa po silang mga ibang products such as this one. So, ito yung kanilang atsara. Oh, wow. So, this one, plus atsara. Oof. Yaman ha? Ang sarap ng atsara, guys. Grabe, ang sarap ng atsara. Very classic nga, di ba? Yung story nila, it started sa mga fiestahan. And what is a fiesta handaan without atsara? So, available din naman sa kanila yung mga Kapampangan recipe na suka. Ayan. So, this one is it. You just, dip it. Very classic, parang pinkish reddish na vinegar. Nox na yan, ma'am. Additionally, sa mga Pitichan or Chicharon, tinaternohan natin yan ng ensaladang mangga. So, this is ensaladang mangga with onion and tomato. And what is an ensalada without a bagoong? So, available din po sa kanila. This is their M Em bagoong. Available din po yan, guys. Yaman ha? Another observation po sa kanila is, although these are pig's fat, napansin ko, guys, para silang mga finger food na, no? It's not oily. And according to our orientation with the owner, yung mga reseller packs natin like this one, without opening it, it can last more than a month. No, room temperature. You don't open them. So, for example, you're reselling it, no? Yung shelf life niya is actually matagal. Wow. Wow. Look. Para na silang kutkutin. You know what? I like that atsara. So, lagyan pa natin ng atsara. Here it is. Yaman talaga. Atsara. Very perfect yung timpla. Atsara. Very perfect yung timpla. Oh, wow. How can I say no to this? Grabe naman. M Em. More atsara for me. And another Pitichan. Oh, wow. So crunchy. This is so fatty, heavenly. Napakasarap iterno sa kanin, ensaladang mangga, at malamig na soft drinks. Perfect match. Some more. More achara. And more ensalada. So ayun guys, if you're interested to taste yung M Em Pitichan, make sure to check out the fan page. We're gonna be tagging in the information below. Kung gusto mo naman maging reseller, guys, they are looking for you. Make sure to contact them. Do a side hustle with them. Napakagandang side business po nito dahil patok na patok talaga ang mga Pitichan sa ating mga Kapampangan. So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And hope to see you in the next video guys. Peace. Bye.